What's up, Dallas? It's me, your girl Brianna, and we're back with another vlog, y'all. I haven't vlogged in a long time, so today we're going to be going to get some more lip injections, y'all. Definitely ready for round 2 because I want them to be a little bit bigger. I've been trying to clear my skin, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm using, but y'all, this Chicago weather is so fucked up because listen, it's supposed to be fall, but it is skip fall and it's on to winter because it's snow on the ground and shit, and it's hella cold. It's like 30 degrees out here. I need to like get the fuck on. I'm ready to move somewhere shoot, other than Chicago, because Chicago is like bipolar as fuck. I'll do a tutorial. Let me show y'all my outfit. Finally I finally get to take pictures outside when it's bright, so I do definitely need to hurry up. See, look y'all, it's light outside. I've been trying to take those now. Like, I love the fashion pictures. Like, girl, I've been trying to give y'all fashion for real. Outfit of the day, I got this cute purse from Akira, y'all. It's so cute. It matched my outfit, y'all. Oh, it's so cute. I got this dress from Forever 21, y'all. Forever 21. I don't know how much it costs, but I'm pretty sure it was cheap. Probably like $50. Well, you know, I think that cheap, but I don't know. I would check. Look in the garbage for the receipt. I mean the tag. Nail fanatic on the nails. What? So yeah, I definitely went to go get in the shower, woke up, did that, did my hair. And I love belts only because it accentuates my waist. I see my hips. Like, if I lose my waist, if I lose my waist and get it a tad bit smaller, y'all definitely will see my hips. So cute. Like, come on now. Do y'all see this? Super cute. This, see right here, this keeps cute. Got the purse to match me. Ooh, my makeup, I'm definitely gonna come back so y'all can see this whole fit put together. I definitely will vlog him recording me as well, so I'll see y'all Dallas later. I had to throw this quick beat on because my eyebrows was just not happening today. I was so mad because it was irritating as fuck. Always late. It's like black people always late for some shit. Don't be like, what, 18 minutes late? But yeah, we always late for some shit. It's a good day ahead of us. I don't know what we're gonna do today. Besides go to get the injections, and then he gotta get his son, and I think he's gonna do a tattoo today. And then I don't know. I know the pumpkin patch. I was trying to take the kids to the pumpkin patch, but I don't know if they open today, so I'm gonna have to see if they is. I know they open Saturday, so I haven't did a vlog in a while. I look so cute. But damn, I've been with this boy for 6 months. This is crazy. I had asked him yesterday, like, how long we been together? So much for 6 months. That's a long ass time to be with somebody.
Yeah, I'm ready to
Wait. Stop playing with me. No, you're not. Be with me forever, y'all. Okay, so I was telling him, y'all had to turn it down. But yeah, I was telling him that we should start a YouTube channel. What y'all think about that? Should we start a YouTube channel? Let me know in the comment section below, because I definitely want to know if we should. He like chill, so he's not like, it's not like he gonna really talk. But I told him like he gonna have to get out his shell and start talking and do some shit. Because
y'all watch me tattoo all day.
he always laughs. That's funny, baby.
So you got so much energy.
Okay, look, can I see? That's how I want my lips, y'all. She really don't have to do some lips. But I was scared the first time, so that's probably why we ain't go that big. But the thing is, when you get your lips done, or when you get any type of surgery done, well, it's not technically surgery, but anything that's swole, it looks good because it's swole, or it might be like, okay, oh, it might be too big. But when the swelling go down, like, you'll be like, man, I wish I would have went bigger, because once the swelling go down, it's just perfect, just like I like it. So I'm doing round 2 and I want bigger, so then when the swelling go down, it'll probably be just like I like it. But these my lips right now, they average, they're not big though, so I want some big. Don't do that. I want his lips. Let me see your lips, baby. I need Duke lips.
Yeah, no.
I need Duke lips. Right here. So she actually did these. So this is her page. I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, I want these lips. She did these, y'all. Oh, this is, oh my God. This is so nice. Oh, this is so nice.
Girl, your surgery went so well. Yeah, you look so good.
Thank you.
Did you step out?
This video.
We'll get you nice and numbed up.
So I'm not supposed to wear makeup?
No, it's okay. Because I'll clean it all off before we actually inject.
Okay.
So let me go grab my assistant.
Okay.
It'll be easier for you.
Okay. Alright, y'all. So this is number cream. Oh, I actually got it in my mouth. But yeah. What if I had gloss on my lips? Actually about to snap, y'all. Go follow her on Instagram. Definitely will leave it right here. She about to snap on these lips once again. Do you want to be?
Do I what?
Want to be?
Yeah. I want one really bad. You're like the first famous person I took care of.
Sorry.
No. I remember I told Dr. Chaka earlier, I was like, I have a famous makeup artist coming in today. I was like, I'm so excited. I was like, she came to me when I was really new too. And I was like,
what it is that you want to put it inside the lips, because I think you want to know.
I put Juvederm Ultra Plus because she wanted like a nice pout, and this filler's really good to make your lips almost look like pillows. And she already had a really good shape to her and volume, so we just wanted to enhance it. Doing okay? I just like to massage the lips just so to make sure there's no lumps and bumps and everything is nice and even, and it's a good way to kind of shape the lips into where you want it to go.
You feel good. Alright, y'all, so we just came from Opulence. I just got my lip injections, y'all. Oh. Alright, y'all, so y'all see my heels? It's so cute, but I'm about to take these bitches off. I was in it for the gram, that's it. Y'all see these? I only do it for the gram.
It's midday. We about to hit rush hour.
But you already know what I mean when I say that.
Yeah. We be out at motherfucking 1 a.m.
All the time. I don't know if I can eat.
With your lips? You either know.
I mean, I guess you really can't tell.
We still gotta stop somewhere and get some of that too.
You like my lips?
How long? How long I gotta wait?
So I suck your dick? Damn, a long time. They said when I get these, I can't suck dick no more.
For that day?
No, ever.
At that moment? No. We're gonna have to take your lips back there.
Last night, why we was going to this party, right? So we had went to this first party, but we gonna forget about that party because we ain't gonna talk about that party. The second party, right? So yeah, I've been coming around him, you know, for a minute now. It's been like 6 months or whatever. So why when we see his friends pull up, say, hey Brittany. Who the fuck is Brittany? Who is Brittany? I've been trying to figure out who Brittany is all this time. He think I'm playing. He still think I'm playing.
I don't know Brittany.
When I say Brittany. He trying to act dead serious, but he know who the fuck Brittany is. He been bringing Brittany around his family for a long time, and motherfuckers
Brittany my whole life.
Mixing my name up with Brittany, cause my name is Brianna, and they know my name. You having a good day today, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm about to smoke this blunt and look at my shorty.
You ain't about to jump on the track?
Yeah, you know I got them bars. Yeah, you know I got them bars.
Smoother than some lotion, ain't tryna rub it in. Right, I got your bitch and I pop her just like some rubber bands. Pop her like some soda, you calling your Motorola. I'm calling the other bitch, tell her I'm rolling over.
So y'all can see how dude got down. Like, he said he spit it from the top of his dome. It's a nice place to take a picture. See, when I come down here, y'all, I be trying to pick out places to take pictures. And that just gives me fall vibes all day long. Dude, he tired of taking my pictures, y'all. I don't know why like that. He just doing me so dirty. He do me dirty. Cause he don't want to take my pictures no more, but it's cool. He like, damn, all you want to do is take pictures and shit.
You treating me like the camera guy.
Boy. I thought you was supposed to be my cameraman. He said no.
Damn,
fuck
I thought I was your whole man.
Ash. Look, he looking like. You see yourself? Look how he looking. Walmart, and they didn't have the fucking boots I want, but they had them in the kid size. But I guess I'm gonna order my fly. I don't know yet. I guess we got to call it one. You calling it one?
We need some food. We need some good food.
I guess we about to go find some food then. Then we calling it one. So you eat mine too? You eat my nuggets too?
You better get some nuggets. You better not have no motherfucking
Anyways, y'all, he ain't get the joke.
You better not have no motherfucking nuggets.
Well, I can't have no nuggets.
Fuck you got nuggets for? What your nuggets? What you got nuggets down there for?
What you mean?
What you talking about?
I got nuggets. I got a nugget. Nugget.
Little ass clitoris.
Yep. So he finna eat my shit. Y'all hear this? That's crazy. He thought it was something about boss. He must thought you thought it was something about boss?
That's the only thing that relates to that shit.
No, I ain't never heard nobody call no boss nugget.
You trying to switch it up.
No.
You trying to get a nigga caught up. Like, I don't know what fish sticks is.
Boy. What's fish sticks?
You ain't never seen that South Park episode?
Hell no.
It was like, do you like fish sticks?
It sound familiar.
It sound like fish dicks.
Oh, hell no.
You eat fish dicks? They had Kanye West on that one. Say Kanye West like fish dicks.
He like,
what up, boy?
Look at her smiling. You smiling? Y'all, he like his daddy. He cheats. He cheats hard.
Nuggets.
You want some nuggets?
Yeah.
He's so
Yeah.
He was just talking about some stuff, y'all. I think I'm gonna get later. So I already got some nuggets. I might get a cheeseburger.
Back at it.
My
boy.
Hold on.
Say my boy.
So I can see you. Hey Ash. What's your name? Your name Ash?
Ash.
Yeah. Hello.
Did you order already?
No.
Mama said get her Sunday.
What y'all want Sunday and what else?
I just want Sunday and medium fry.
What kind of Sunday?
What kind of caramel fudge?
I want a double fudge.
And grandma too?
Yeah, get her the cheeseburger when that done, because the last time it was
Okay. You just smiling back there.
My boy likes seeing himself. You gonna order? That's the one you want? Two fudge sundaes. Can I have double fudge?
For 50.
You get a 6-piece.
For boy, and what kind of drink?
Apple juice.
Okay, apple slice yogurt.
You get the apple slices.
Can you repeat that?
Apple slices.
That's the only way he gonna do it.
I don't wanna hear a beat.
Y'all dancing? Huh?
Hit the wall.
No, I want my mommy. I want to my picture.
I ain't taking no picture now.
I no picture.
I ain't taking no picture. It's not a picture, girl. It's a video. Now say hello.
The bee up there in the middle.
Oh, I see you back there. Get out your mouth. What you doing, boy? What you laughing at? I don't even know what you laughing at. What's so funny?
Come on, bro. Let me brush your hair.
Alright, guys. So I actually, I'm about to take this makeup off. I did switch out of the outfit because it was like, on the arm part, it was like too... It was too tight, so I couldn't really move in it. So I'm about to do an outro for, say, giveaway rules for something. I just want to end this vlog. I absolutely love my lips. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you guys on the next video, period. And that's a must. Happy November 1st, because it is the 1st of the month.